I'm now going to show you how to install a wooden awning window into this room. This window is a large window which allows maximum light into this room. The tools we're going to need for this job are a battery drill, a sawhorse, some plastic flashing, timber packers, craft knife, a level, some gloves, glasses, tape, screws, a pencil, a ruler, a drill set, and a staple gun and staples. We're also going to need some help from my mate Matt, just so we can help with our heavy lifting. The first job we're going to do is install our flashing to the bottom of the window. This is a simple job, but imperative that we put it on and make it watertight so that we allow no leakage. We've now finished cutting our flashing tape, and as you can see, we've allowed a lot more length than we possibly need. This allows us to trim it up when we've finished stapling it together. I'm now going to staple the flashing tape into the rebate. I've got Matt holding the other end. This just makes it easier so it doesn't fall all over the floor while we're stapling. I'm now going to wrap my flashing around the end of the window, nice and neatly, just like that. All we need to do now, trim the corners off so they're nice and even, and install our window. We're about to put the window in position. Firstly, we need to remove the saw stool, flip the window over, put the base of the window on the base of the frame, and lift the window into position. There we go. Our window is now in the correct position. I've just asked my mate Matt to head outside, make sure that the flashing is in the right place, nice and tight, just in case any moisture does get in, it takes it away from the inside of the house. Our next job now is to pre-drill some pilot holes ready to screw the window in position. This is to be done around 50 to 75 millimeters from the top sill and the bottom on both ends of the window. It's now time to drill our pilot holes. I'll now use my battery drill with a 4.5 millimeter drill, that's the same shank as the screw, and drill them into the side of the window. I've just checked the level of the base of the window and it's slightly out. I'm going to use a nice little packer to slip under this corner, lift it slightly so the window sits in level. The packer's now in position. Hopefully our level is showing dead level now. Yep, that's great. We're now ready to screw our window into position. There's two parts to this. First part, make sure we put a packer sitting in over the screw hole. Second part, check and see if the side of the window is plumb, which it is. Insert the screw, check the flushness. Time to screw the window off. Now we're going to do the same with the bottom. The bottom of the jamb is actually touching the framing, so no packer is required. Make sure the rule's in place with the plasterboard. I'll repeat the process on the other end. It's also advisable that the screw heads are slightly below the surface. This allows room for filling, ready to paint the window. That now secures our window in position. So there you have it, our window is complete. Job done.